Everybody wants to think about a future in which humans don't thrive. So it's time for us to go into the space. Hello everyone. Today we are diving into an exciting and futuristic topic, asteroid mining. It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but this is becoming more real with every step of space exploration, known as the billion-dollar space race. Asteroid mining has the potential to change everything from how we think about the resource to the way we explore the universe.
Why is asteroid mining important? Asteroid mining isn't just a sci fi dream, it's a solution to many pressing challenges we face today. Here are the reasons, with examples to illustrate their importance. New resource gold mine. Earth is running low on key resources. For instance, rare metals like platinum and gold are becoming harder to find and more expensive to extract. Asteroids like 16 Psyche are believed to contain more metals than all the mines on Earth contributed. By mining asteroids, we could tap into this vast supply without depleting Earth's resources or causing environmental damage. Fuel for space exploration. Water is crucial for any future space missions, not just for drinking but also for fuels. For example, water can be split into hydrogen and oxygen, providing rocket fuels. Instead of launching heavy supplies from Earth, astronauts could mine water from asteroids. This would make missions to destinations like Mars more suitable and less costly, as seen in NASA's plan for future lunar missions. Economic boom. The financial potential of asteroid mining is staggering. A single asteroid could be worth billions due to its valuable materials. For instance, asteroid 5116 Dembosque is estimated to contain metals worth around $4.7 billion. This worth could create new industries focused on space mining, generating jobs and driving technological advancements on Earth. Environmental protection. Mining on Earth often leads to significant environmental degradation. Pollution, deforestation, and habitat destruction are just a few concerns. Moving some of this activity to space means less harm to our planet. For instance, reducing terrestrial mining can help preserve ecosystems that are crucial for biodiversity and contributing climate changes.
The race for asteroid mining. Asteroid mining isn't a reality yet, but the race is heating up. Major players like NASA are leading the charge with missions like OSIRIS-REx, which traveled to the asteroid Bennu to study its resources. Private companies are also jumping in. Planetary Resources were a pioneer, aiming to mine asteroids for water and precious metals, while Deep Space Industries focused on using asteroids for metal construction. Surprisingly, Luxembourg has emerged a key player, investing heavily in the space mining and creating laws to support it. Meanwhile, China is eyeing the asteroid mining sector, building on its success with Moon and Mars missions. With the US, Luxembourg, and China all vying for the slice of asteroid pie, the future of mining these cosmic treasure is just around the corner. Technological breakthroughs are paving the way for asteroid mining, with the key player making strides. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, is revolutionizing space travel with reusable rockets like Falcon 9, significantly lowering the launch cost essential for future mining missions.
Planetary Resources were among the first to focus on asteroid mining, developing spacecraft equipped for prospecting and resource extraction. Although the company shifted focus, its early innovations inspired others in the industry. NASA plays a vital role, exemplified by the mission OSIRIS-REx, which successfully collected samples from the asteroid Bennu. This mission not only gathered crucial data about asteroid, but also refines the technology needed for future asteroid minings.
The growing interest in asteroid mining. Asteroid mining is gaining momentum, driven by innovative companies and supportive policies. Astroforge is developing technologies to mine precious metals for asteroids and plans to launch a presentation mission soon. Astra is focused on small spacecraft designed for asteroid missions. Luxembourg has emerged as a key player, investing in space mining companies and establishing laws to foster this industry, aiming to create a thriving environment for innovation. Planetary Resources, an early pioneer, has shifted the focus to other space missions but set the stage for asteroid mining by showcasing its potential. Challenges of asteroid mining. Asteroid mining promises great potential, but it faces major hurdles. The immense distance make missions costly and lengthy, requiring spacecrafts that can withstand harsh conditions. Developing advanced tech for low gravity environment is complex and expensive. High launch and operational cost raise doubt about economical survival, while processing resources in space without gravity is a significant challenge. Legal frameworks are still unclear regarding ownership and rights, and the inherent risk of space mission can lead to costly failures. Overcoming these challenges is essential for asteroid mining to become a reality.
The future of space mining. Exciting possibilities ahead. Tech advancements, improved spacecraft, and robots will make asteroid mining more effective and affordable, with better propulsion system for easier travel. More missions. Companies and space agencies are planning mining missions to target resource rich asteroids, refining mining techniques and rather crucial data for larger operations. Economic boon. Extracting metals and materials from asteroids could lower costs from electronics and renewable energy, creating new industries and job opportunities in both space and on Earth. Sustainability focus. By mining asteroids, we can reduce the environmental damage of terrestrial mining, preserving natural habitats and cutting pollution. The space of mining is bright, promising valuable resources and a transformative impact on industries both on Earth and in space.
In conclusion, space mining is said to be a game changer for how we access and use resources. As technology advances, we will still see more successful missions to asteroids, making it possible to extract valuable materials and water. This shift could bring significant economic benefits, lowering cost for high-tech resources. With the development of in space infrastructure and evolving legal frameworks, asteroid mining will become more practical and sustainable. By asteroid mining, we can reduce the environmental impact of traditional mining on Earth and open up new doors for exploration and innovation. The future of space mining holds promises, offering a chance to revolutionize our approach to resource management and support the growth of space exploration. As we overcome challenges and seize these opportunities, asteroid mining could become a crucial part of our journey into space and beyond.